Plants have been on Earth prior to human existence. They have been a part of the nature since eternity. It is said that it was the plants that came first, then the animals, and finally humans. And since then, we have been cutting trees, killing plants, and clearing out forests. We tend to forget that it is because of this vegetation that we are living. It is always a view to watch a nursery between high-rise apartments, mansions, and bungalows. It gives a sense of elation that at least someone, somewhere is still taking care of nature. Without plants, we are as good as dead. Purpose of nurseries. Nurseries are where young plants are propagated, like nursery schools, where kids are groomed. A nursery is a place where seeds, young plants are grown in harmonious conditions. These plants are then sold, or are planted in the real world, in harsh conditions, similar to a child who is put in a nursery school and then into the harsh world. Nurseries help nurture plants in favorable conditions, where they are constantly looked after. They are watered regularly, given manure and all other essential items for them to get mature. Once a plant grows, it is then removed from a nursery and planted in a garden or a park. One can say that a nursery is a playground before the plants are put in the battleground. Methods applied. Nurseries are places where a plant is propagated. There are various methods by which plants can be grown and conditioned. A nursery employs gardeners, which take care of these plants. A nursery utilizes greenhouses to prevent harsh weather like frost, extreme heat, etc. from affecting the budding plants. The most preferred method to grow plants is cutting, which involves cutting of nerves of plants and trees and planting them elsewhere. This is a form of asexual propagation. In this technique, shoot tips or nodes of stems are cut and planted in different pots for an independent growth. The second most preferred method is grafting, which also is an asexual propagation method. Nurseries are a process of beautifying a place. Nurseries generally keep plants that can be planted in gardens, parks, dividers, etc. They help in growth of seasonal as well as perennial plants. A well-maintained nursery not only earns well, but also looks beautiful. Maintaining a nursery is a noble task which brings us closer to nature. Plant nurseries, like nursery schools, are of utmost importance.